I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use portrait lighting effects on the camera app on your iPhone. So first step is to open our camera, and we're typically going to start off in the photo mode. So we're going to scroll over on the bottom to the portrait mode. And now for this example, I'm going to use the coffee cup on my desk as a subject. And as you can see, it shows natural light right there in the middle. That is the particular portrait lighting effect that is being shown for this portrait photo. And so if you want to move over to a different lighting effect, you will swipe right where that little box is under natural light. And now we have a studio light option. We have a contour light option. We've got a stage light option, and you can put it right in the center there for when you take the picture. It'll look much different. We've got a stage light mono option, which makes everything black and white. And then we've got a high key light mono option as well. And again, you'll keep that subject right in the center there. Now let's say, for example, I take a photo. Now after you have taken your photo, you can also change these particular portrait lighting effects. And you can tap on the little F or the f-stop icon or the little hexagon with a circle in it. We'll switch back and forth between these two options. Once you have the hexagon selected, you can then see the portrait lighting options on the bottom, and you can swipe over and then switch between any of these options as well. Now these last ones, stage light mono, and high key light mono, they're very specific to particular kinds of photos. You have to line up your shot really well. Typically it's going to work better on faces. So make sure that you're using the right kind of subject on those particular shots and lining them up in that little circle that I showed you before. Once you're ready, you can select the one you want to use. Let's say I want to use contour light. I can change the amount of that particular lighting effect. And when I'm ready, I'll just click done on the top right, and now we're all set. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.